Hello friends, in this video we will learn about target and title attribute. Okay, in previous video we had discussed about the interconnected among the web page. When we click on gallery link, then it's open gallery web page in same tab or same window. Okay, then comes to first attribute target. Attribute is used to specify the location where link document is opened. Okay, if you want to open gallery web page in another tab or another windows, then we can use target equal to within quotation underscore blank. Okay, then save the file and refresh in browser. Look, if you click on gallery link, then gallery web page is open in next tab. Okay, then comes to another attribute is title, and this attribute is used to specify extra information about the element. When the mouse moves over the element, then it shows the information. Suppose title is click me. Then save the file and refresh in browser. Look, when the mouse moves over the gallery link, then it shows the information click me. Okay, I will see you guys in next video.